So let's take a look at what grade L method is. Grade L method is a method that is used to find both greatest common factor, GCF, and least common multiples, LCM. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, there are many other methods out there that you can use to find GCF and LCM. So if you are more familiar with other methods, by all means, use that. But I'm going to show you this one method because I think this is a great method to find both GCF and LCM at the same time. Okay, so this is how it goes. Let's say we want to find GCF and LCM of number 16 and 20. Okay, and it could be kind of tricky to find both GCF and LCM here. Now, I'll show you how. It's a grade L method, so let's draw a grade L like this. Okay, and now you have to think about what is one number that can divide both 16 and 20. Okay, any number that would work. What is one number that can divide both 16 and 20? Well, I can think of 2, right? 16 can be divided by 2, and 20 can also be divided by 2. I can also think of 4. 16 can be divided by 4, and 20 can be divided by 4. And I know there are some of you out there who say, oh, I can divide both number by 1. But we're gonna put 1 aside, okay? We're not gonna use 1 for any of this, okay? Any other numbers aside from 1 that can divide both numbers, right? Okay, so let's use 2 here because it's a smaller number. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. So we write 8 here. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So write 10 here, okay? Here then you have to think again. Okay, what is a number that can divide both 8 and 10? Okay, and we draw another grade L here. And a number that can divide both 8 and 10 is 2. So I write 2 again here. Okay, and 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 10 divided by 2 is 5, right? And then let's think again. Okay, is there a number that can divide both 4 and 5 besides 1? Okay, is there any number? No, right? There's no other number that can divide both 4 and 5. So we stop here. Okay, now let me share something cool here. Okay, I'm gonna write GCF and LCM. Okay, and these different color. Color go red. Okay, for greatest common factor, you see numbers that are on the left side, you multiply them. 2 times 2. What's 2 times 2? 4, right? 4. So the number that you get when you multiply all the numbers on the left side is your GCF, greatest common factor of the two original numbers, 16 and 20, right? So 4 is the GCF, greatest common factor of 16 and 20. Then what about LCM? Let me use also another color here. LCM, you take a look at all the numbers that are left and on the bottom, like this. Then we have 2 times 2 times 4 times 5, okay? What is 2 times 2 times 4 times 5? Well, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16, right? 16 times 5 is 80, okay? So LCM of a least common multiple, LCM of 16 and 20 is equal to 80, okay? So this is how you do the grade L method to find both GCF, greatest common factor, and LCM, least common multiple, okay? Just remember, you have to ask yourself, what is the number that can divide both number, and just continue until you don't have any number aside from 1, okay? Then at the end, multiply all the numbers on the left side to get the GCF, and multiply all the number on the left and on the bottom to get the LCM, okay?